Alright guys, so I've never done anything like this, but I'm going to be doing a Nerf gun review. Now, this is going to be so epic. Hold on, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now some of these guns came with 2 in the pack. So I'm only using 1 of each. So this one came with 2 in the pack, 1 and 2. Okay, well let's just get to it. So the first gun that I'm going to show you. Now most of these I don't know what they're called, but this one, I believe it was called the Elite 2. I believe it was called the X-Shot Elite, and this one is very cool. It's very small too. And then this one is what is this one? This one is the X-Shot Zuru, and this is so cool. Now, this is like a random Star Wars gun. I forgot to tell you guys that some of these are not going to be Nerf guns. They're just going to be like, I don't know, Adventure Force guns, Cap guns. Okay. So this is just like it doesn't make any noise. Okay. I believe that's Luke Skywalker's gun. Wait, no. I don't think Luke Skywalker uses Star Wars guns, but whatever. Then this is the X-Shot Commander. Right here. It's pretty sweet. And then this is the X-Shot Dino Squad. You guys probably have this because it's a common gun. Okay. Now this is a Cap gun revolver. Now you can see that there is try not to break a nail. I don't wear nails because I broke my nail trying to open this thing up sometimes. Okay. Opened it up. And as you can see, there's like real gunpowder in there to make the noise. See? Yeah, but it's pretty sweet. I got it about 2 years ago. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you how long ago I got these. So I got this like 4 months ago for Christmas. Got this about a year ago. I got this when I was on my day trip in Alabama. Probably about 3 weeks ago. 2-3 weeks ago. Got this one about 1 or 2 years ago. I got this one about 2 years ago. Now, most of my guns are in my storage. So, this is not my whole collection. I got this one 2 years ago. Got this one about half a month ago. Wait, no, not half a month ago. Half a year ago, I mean. And then I got this about 3 years ago. And then I got this about 3 years ago. Got that about 3 years ago. Got this about maybe 8 months ago. And then I got this about 2 years ago. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how they sound too. And then this is the Adventure Force 1911. This is so cool. Now this, I don't know it doesn't even say a name on it. Bro, this thing is one of my annoying guns. Look. It doesn't even shoot, it just makes a sound. Then this is another X-Shot Zuru. It's a white one. Then this one is the X-Shot Predator. I think that's what it's called. And then this is the Nerf X-Shot Elite again. Now this is actually an X-Shot Elite Commander. And then this is a what kind of what gun is this? It just says X-Shot. It doesn't say the name. I'm gonna just call it an X-Shot rifle though. Now I'm gonna show you how these guns sound. Now I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, I put the camera right there. Okay. This one doesn't make a sound, so goodbye. I don't have any more caps. But that's how it sounds without the caps. This is how this one sounds. Then this is how this one sounds. This is how this one sounds. Why does it do that? Okay, never mind. Go over there. Then this makes this sound. Okay. This makes this sound. I was thinking about if I should show my other gun, but I probably should show that one once I get it put together. Then this one makes this sound. I already know what this one makes. Then this one makes that sound. This one makes this sound. This one makes this sound. Then this one makes this sound. Okay. So I just want to show you this big old pile that I made. That's the other gun that came with this one. Goodbye. The thing won't turn off.